G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Bezo's Mobile Cooking. Let's find a spot to pull over and do some cooking. G'day everyone, I've had a request. The same people who requested me on which pie that I would recommend for a road trip, and said, fine, you showed us a store bought pie, but can you cook a pie at home as good, if not better, than it from the shop? Well, I think I can do better today. Today we're going to do a chicken, vegetable and camembert cheese pie. Chicken breast, I've got a nice slice of bacon which I've already diced up. I've already diced up the chicken as well. I've got some frozen vegetables that are extremely nice. It's got broccoli, yellow beans, carrots, sugar snap peas, watercress nuts and red capsicum in there. So I've also chopped up and diced up an onion for us. I've got some camembert cheese and 2 teaspoons of Bezo's special spice mix, and I've put together a video separately on what I make for my spice mix. You can use whatever you like, but if you'd like to give my combination a try, there'll be a separate video on how I make that as well. We use just a sandwich bag to mix everything in today. Just make it nice and easy. Get some clear ones, but these are the ones I've got to come for the moment. So in goes the chicken. In goes the bacon. Goes our vegetables. And our onions. So let's transfer it to a larger bag so that you can see the magic happening inside. That's much better. 2 teaspoons of seasoning. And give that a good mix. Okay, that's looking pretty damn good. Bring in our pastry. Okay, let's figure out how much we're going to need for the lids. Okay, let's give our pie tins a quick hit with vegetable oil. Do the butter them, whichever you like to do. First piece of pastry. Bit of pastry hanging over the edges so we can seal them up nice. I've done a separate video again on how to make pastries, so you can either make your own or go with the store-bought stuff. Either way, that smells so good. Here we go. I'm happy to take requests, so if there's something you'd like me to have a go at, even if it's something that it's a recipe you have yourself, and you'd like to see if I can do a different take on it. More than happy to give it a try. This oriental vegetable mix is so nice. That's looking pretty good. Sliced up half of the camembert cheese. 4 good chunks to go into each of those bites. So now, let's put the lids on. Pat them down. Use a little bit of egg. put anything you like on top. A nice bagel mix that I like to use. There we go. 2 pies ready to go into the car. 180 degrees for 25 minutes. So after the first 15 minutes, we'll actually check them, pull them out, turn them upside down so that the puff pastry on the bottom doesn't get too soggy from all the butter and everything coming through, and it'll help crisp the bottoms up as well. Okay, we preheated the air fryer, now we're going to put our 2 pies in. And they're 80 degrees, and they're going to cook at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're going to come and turn them over and give them another 180 for 10 minutes. There's our 15-minute timer up. Time to turn them over. How do they look? 1, 2. Our first one. Here comes our second one. Those tins are very hot. Ready, a little bit moist on the bottom as expected. That's why we'll turn them over and we'll give them another 10 minutes. 180 to finish them off. See you in 10 minutes time. Okay, so they're finished cooking. Let's have a look. How do they look? Oh, absolutely beautiful. 2 chicken and bacon and camembert cheese pies. Let's go inside, open them up and see what they look like inside. Chicken, bacon and camembert cheese with vegetables. Nice crunchy flaky pastry. Have a look at that. Only one thing left to do, give it a taste test. Pastry's nice and flaky. Lovely combination of flavours. I think that's a winner. Let us know what you think. Give it a try. Try it yourself. Try different flavour combinations, different spices, different meats. Have fun, have a go. Get the kids involved. And we'll see you again next time on Bezo's Mobile Cooking.